After a few hours of cutting and trimming and thinking about how I'm doing this, I have quite a bit of the lumber ready. So we'll start with this is going to be the sides right here. We have 35 inches from here to here, and we have about, let's see, there's 4 to a side, 8 plus 2 in the back. So about 10 layers already. And you might be thinking, how are we going to hold this together? Because normally you would use one piece of wood for the full distance. But I thought I'd try something new here. I don't think I've done this before, and that is to use 2 different pieces and make the sides out of that. So what I decided to do, I thought about piloting a screw in here and one on the other side to make this a full board, all connected. And then I thought, the other option I thought of, it was a diamond right here. So I'm quite sure I'm going to go with a diamond. So I had cut these boards out here. I'm going to make diamonds out of them. And then the diamond will go here with 2 screws. I've done this on the gazebo, this type of thing. So in a way, that's not totally new, but it will be for an inside piece of furniture that I've been, and basically that's what this is. Then I cut, for the back I really couldn't do the same because 4 would give me too wide because you got the thickness of this on each side. So I have this other wood and I decided to cut them into about 1 1/4 inch wide, and I'm going to screw them together to form a full board. So this will make more sense once I start doing it. Then here is the pegboard I need. I need about a 44-inch pegboard. So I'm going to use these for pegs. Now this is all different types of wood. So we have some hard maple here, we have some cherry here, we have some red oak, some more red oak, which is water stained, give it a cool effect. Right down here we have some, looks like some cucumber, and we have other woods mixed out. We have white oak and red oak, and there's multiple species of each. So you get variation there, plus trees just vary, depending on where they're growing and stuff. Some red oaks are very red, like this one here. I also planed these off. These right here I did not plane the edges on because most of these the edge will not show. So there's no need to do that. So I cut these all to 4-inch width. And then I also did some planing over here for another project. I thought I would do it while I had the planer out. So I need to take a break, get some water, take a break, maybe do some other stuff. And then later on I might be back in today to start connecting. Well, I probably have to do a bunch of sanding first because I want to sand these edges off, take the edge off this. So there's a lot of sanding to do here. But I'll use my belt sander, which I really like, and I did do a video on that. So that's what I'll be doing next. And then once we start putting it together, I'll do another video. So basically we're going to do lots of different species of wood in this base. And we have much more to do because we still have shelves and other things we're going to do in this. Okay, I'm going to take a break now.